So SMCI started to reverse from the huge bottom that we discussed on our Discord, guys. If you don't know, guys, we always do update on our Discord for mini stocks. Today we did a really good update for VNRX from the 20-cent jump 40% in the pre-market before the market opened, and of course discussed SMCI reversal early on last week, and we got a really good reversal for it actually. And we did the huge jump for it from yesterday. And we remember, guys, we warned our hunter for a huge reversal since this jump here that happened on Monday this week. We did 13%, and right now it's 7% up. Did a really great job. Right now we have an interesting flag. We might have a breakout all up or down. So I'm watching it closely right now before the market close. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here always for education purposes only. So let me just walk you through about what's going on with SMCI. Right now we have a kind of flag is forming and is about to do something. If we have a push back up, this means we get another buyer to take us toward the 25.45, and we might have another jump toward almost the $30. Right now it is 7%. So if we jump, we might do another 7%. And if we push back down, is mean we might have a consolidation down toward the 23.32 and maybe revisit the 22.58 again toward this bottom, because in the big picture we're still holding an interesting level here, guys. As you can see here, we have this ascending channel and the price is still pumping up every time we test this level. So this is the most important white line, or most important support is, for my opinion, is the 22.58. If we held it, is mean SMCI started to recover up. So the 22.58 will confirm the buyers is still buying and loading up an SMCI. Otherwise, if we broke it, it means we continue to go down. But in the meantime, we're still strong for SMCI. Expect an interesting jump for it later on, because the buying pressure is still there, guys, as you can see here. So I'm watching it closely before the market close. The volume is picking up. So let me know, comment section below, guys, where the price you think will go for SMCI. Are we going to go toward the $30, or are we going to go to visit the 22.50 before the end of this week? Thank you for watching, guys, and see you all back by tomorrow.